Another late night, another day spent creating content, writing emails, chasing leads, but feeling like you're getting nowhere. It feels like the online world is moving faster than ever, and you're trying to keep up. You didn't start your business to work around the clock. You started it for a better lifestyle and more flexibility. But somehow, that life feels further away than ever. What if instead of feeling overwhelmed, you had tools that worked for you? What if AI wasn't something else to consume your time, but something that gave you back time? Time to plan a trip to the park and hang out with your grandkids. Enjoy a steaming cup of morning coffee without rushing to a computer screen or going for a spontaneous walk on a beautiful day. Imagine closing your laptop at 3 p.m., knowing your content, your emails, and your business are working behind the scenes. You're not meant to do this alone. When you have the right strategy, the right tools, and the right people around you, everything changes. After all, it's your business, your life, your choice. Embrace AI today.